That sound? That was a $200 premium potting bench giving up on its first bag of soil. A gardener's sanctuary shouldn't collapse on you. So, I ordered the 5 most popular potting benches online and put them through the ultimate test: assembly, weight capacity, weather resistance, and real gardening chaos. And let me tell you, the instructions for one model were so bad, it was an absolute nightmare to build. But the number 3 pick, a bench I had low expectations for, assembled in 10 minutes and held an unbelievable amount of weight. The difference between a joy and a junk pile is staggering, and I'm revealing it all. Number 1. Topeakmart Potting Bench Table. Space-saving storage. The 3-layer structure makes this potting station an excellent storage unit for your garden supplies such as soil and fertilizer bags, and pots. The 3 side hooks are for tools like trimmers and shovels. Multifunction. This garden working station is more than a workspace for gardening. Its multi-layer structure brings you more possibilities. You can also use it as a gardening tool storage organizer or a flower stand. Customizable. This unadorned potting bench for horticulture can be painted, sprayed, or baking varnished in your preferred color according to your taste. Or, you prefer the original color of fur, it is also beautiful enough to integrate into garden surroundings. Clear instruction. All the necessary components and assembling tools are comprised in the package together with instructions. It is suggested 2 people working together assemble this working station. Number 2. Yaheetech Outdoor Garden. If you're a keen gardener, you mustn't miss this thoughtful waist height assistant. It allows you focus on your work upright without strain or soreness caused by long time bending over. Additionally, it also embraces practical and thoughtful storage and display functions. Metal top, effortless cleaning. The metal tabletop, compared with a wooden one, features better water resistance and durability. You can wash it with water or wipe it clean after using it without worrying about the fine dirt getting into the wood grains or leaving water stains to shorten the console's service life. Premium fir wood. Made of 100% fir wood, this garden table for horticulture is body harmless. You can transplant edible vegetables or herbs on it. Combined with its solid structure, this potting tabletop can hold up to 100 kg/220 pounds and 80 kilograms per 176 pounds for the bottom shelf and cabinet. Number 3. Best Choice Products Mobile. Extend your workspace with a tabletop that splits apart for a lengthy surface to cut and pot vegetables, herbs, and more. It also comes in handy for hiding clutter when there's simply not enough time to clean up. Food-grade dry sink. Includes a dry sink for convenient soil mixing and plant potting, made of quality material that helps ensure soil remains safe for planting after coming in contact with the sink. Optional wheels. A set of removable 360-degree rotating wheels let you move the bench from project to project, while a lock on each wheel helps keep it in place. Ample storage space. Keep all your gardening supplies close at hand with a 2-tier upper shelf, a bottom shelf for soil and other large supplies, and 2 hooks for your go-to-hand tools. PRE Stain 2 Last. A durable, water-based stain enhances the firwood grain while helping to protect it from rot, warping, and other wear from the elements. Overall dimensions: 39.5 inch, L, x 18, W, x 58.25, H. Table weight capacity, 150 pounds. Number 4. Backyard Discovery 47. Transform your home with Backyard Discovery's stylish potting bench and serving bar, a versatile piece that seamlessly transitions between outdoor and indoor spaces. Crafted from stunning 100% acacia wood, its charming design combines natural durability with water resistance, enhanced by a protective linseed oil finish that brings out the wood's beautiful grain. The convenient leveling feet provide stability on uneven surfaces, while the spacious main tabletop provides ample room for potting plants, gardening projects, or serving drinks and food. The lower slat storage shelf offers space for organizing gardening tools or bar essentials, with proper airflow and drainage for soil storage or ice bins. Number 5. Convenience Concepts Deluxe. Our furniture collections include a wide variety of styles and finishes. We research the trends, materials, and finishes that will enhance the style of your home. Each piece is carefully crafted with hardworking materials and durable finishes that will bring years of enjoyment. Convenience Concepts is an excellent resource for unique items that make great conversation pieces, whether it's a hall table to greet guests, a comfy storage ottoman, a handsome TV stand, or a sparkling mirrored cabinet. We make it easy to turn an ordinary space into something special. And that's how you transform your garden shed from a chaotic mess into an organized oasis. No more back pain, no more lost tools. Ready to build your dream gardening station? All the links to find the best prices and finally buy the perfect potting bench for your space are waiting for you, right down in the video description. I've suffered through the terrible instructions so you don't have to. If this guide saved you from a gardening headache and helped you get organized, pay it forward, smash that like button, it really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comments what your biggest garden storage problem is. Share this with a friend who loves to garden. And for more honest reviews that make your DIY life easier, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Happy gardening!